Hi there, it's Johnny again. Just going to show you how to install one of our fuse panels. So let me start. So what I've done here is first of all I've disconnected the battery, which is down there, just the negative terminal. That's fine. Please make absolutely sure you've done that before you start, or you'll get into trouble. I've put some cable ties here. I'm going to show you what they are used for. So here's the panel. So the first thing to do is just make sure that you've loosened all of these terminals off. They'll just get a bit irritating if they're all done up tight. It's just they are a bit tight from the manufacturing process. So just make sure they're all loosened off, and the ones on the bottom row, which I've already done. Similarly, go along all of these terminals and basically crack them open, because you'll find they're pretty stiff, and just turn them and re-tighten them just finger tight. You don't want the wires to fall out, but just enough so that when we go along it makes it nice and easy to swap them over. So I've done all the ones on the bottom row and the top row. Okay, so the first thing to do is to hang the new panel in front of the old panel, and what you want to do is make it so that you can kind of get to the old screw terminals and to the new ones. So put that on there like that. So you don't go crazy tight, or you won't be able to stretch the wires across. Made a bit of a dog's breakfast of that, but anyway. Okay. So now that's done, you should be able to see the bottom terminals and also the new ones that you're connecting to. What we're going to do is start at this end and just literally transfer each wire across to the new terminal. Notice the spacing is different, so please don't try and get mixed up. Make sure you're taking loads of reference photos beforehand, or you will get in a muddle possibly. So alright, so let's start. So we'll start here, take the first one out, put that across to the new one, do that up. See, there's a gap there, there's nothing actually on that one, so we missed that one. By the way, I'm doing this all upside down. It's actually easier to do it if you sit in the trunk. So one, two, three, four. The other thing to note here is that some of the terminals will have more than one wire on, so just watch out for that. Monkey business with that one. Right, there we go. So we're on number 6. Should get easier as you get to the middle, as the spacing becomes more in line. Right, the next one's got, you can see it's got quite a few wires on it, so just go careful with that one. Make sure that's so it's actually got a nice little clump of wires on there. Instead, you can tell the Porsche wires because they've got little crimps on the end. There's any additional one, so that's probably an additional wire, that black one. Someone's added that. So this is a bit fiddly, this one. We're putting the black wire in first. So as you can see, this one's proving to be quite a nuisance. That's partly because of the having to pull the wire a bit further. I think that's it now. You can return to these when you've put the panel down in its final position. Probably get a bit of a better handle on it. So. Here's another one with a couple of wires on it. Right, that one didn't go. Okay. Now you might run into a problem like this. So this wire actually won't stretch to there. So I'm going to should have a little pad ready to write this down. around it. Right, I'm going to stop a minute because my back's aching and I'll be back in a second.